Can a narcissist change? Absolutely. Anyone can change. The question is, are they willing to put in the work of self-reflection and humility and admitting that they don't know everything and learning how to repair conflict and heal the damage that they've caused from invalidation or gaslighting or lying or selfishness? Because one of the most destructive traits of a narcissist is the inability to take any accountability, right? They are always the victim. Why? Because their ego can't handle the shame of admitting that they are capable of making a mistake or doing something wrong.
Generally speaking, I really love a lot of Jimmy's content. I think he's exceptionally well-spoken and very comprehensive. This video didn't really land for me, and I'm going to explain why. Firstly, to state all narcissists can change is requiring a lot of unpacking. Are we talking about people with high narcissistic traits or people who have narcissistic personality disorder? Because if it's the latter, there's a huge literature body that says they don't generally change, and even if one or two has a moment of self-actualization, they usually snap back to their highly dysfunctional personality. Secondly, I worry that a lot of people who have excellent capability to change, grow, self-actualize, project their innate good qualities onto people who really don't have the same capability for change, which leads me on to the final point to say, which is, yes, a lot of people may have the capacity to change, but it can be glacial and painful. And how much are you willing to put up with in order to facilitate this?